Hi everyone. Today we compare two important tenses.
Simple present and present continuous.
Stop. Are you making this mistake?
Yes, it's a common error. Remember, R is for you.
I am going to school every day.
I go to school every day.
What form of verb do we use?
The ing form of the verb.
What is the present continuous tense?
It shows actions happening right now.
What is the structure?
Subject plus MESR plus verbing.
What is the structure of simple present?
Subject plus base verb.
What is present continuous?
It shows actions happening now.
What is the structure of present continuous?
Subject plus MESR plus verbing.
When do we use simple present?
For daily routines.
When do we use present continuous?
For actions happening now.
Do we say, I am going to school now?
Yes, that is present continuous.
Can we mix both?
No, each has its own use.
Do meanings change?
Ganhampe.
Yes, completely.
How do we ask in simple present?
Use do or does.
How do we ask in present continuous?
Use
She is reading now.
happening now. So, present continuous.
I am playing football now.
This is present continuous.
Do meanings change?
Ganhampe.
Yes, completely. She reads books.
Habit. So simple present.
Do meanings change? Yes, completely. She is reading now.
Happening now. So, present continuous.
What is the key difference?
Habit versus action now.